Hi, I'm Kimberly Christiana with Pompano Beach Fire Rescue. Hurricane season starts June 1st. Make sure you're Pompano prepared for the upcoming storm season. Make sure you have a disaster plan in place for your family. It's free and easy to do at pompanobeachfl.gov/get-ready. Gather supplies. Don't forget to stock up on emergency supplies that you may need for the upcoming storm season. There are 2 tax holidays a year, so be sure to take advantage of them. Prep your home or business. Trim back branches close to your home, power lines, or hanging over streets and sidewalks. If you need help, consider hiring a professional service. Place loose coconuts and small debris into your gray garbage cart or in your swale for removal. Don't forget city bulk waste limits. Learn more to be Pompano prepared at pompanobeachfl.gov/get-ready.